Good afternoon, my VIPs, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, well, it's not really a video. It's too short to be a video, but too long to be a short. However, I've had this electric fireplace sitting in my room for 6 to 7 months. I finally was able to find a handyman to come out and build the framing for it. So now I'm just working on the aesthetic portion of it all. And I was sitting here admiring where it's come thus far and thought I'd share with you all. Enjoy.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I'll help them charge. The thing that makes me put the guys go crazy. They lose their minds to way of fun.
So guys, if you made it to this portion of the video, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're working on any projects or have any issues in your home and have been having a hard time finding a contractor, please comment below. I'm not sure what's going on, but it's been the hardest thing to secure contractors to come out and do jobs. Either they'll come and they'll do the estimate. However, when it's time to do the work, it's a no call, no show. Not sure what that's all about. However, if you're having the same experience, please let me know down in the comments. As well as if you have an electric fireplace and you're doing the same concept that I am with a build out and you have any ideas or suggestions, please feel free to share those as well. Thank you so much. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.